Thank you friends song sung dinin alewna hanai sine GK current affair ni part 3 sini part 3 tongo 50 ni simi sengnai sung thanayo 49 jorana lekha sini part 2 friends song ang ojago MCQ base sonamalia onek somoy komni bagi friends song to ang oro utor simi rekha engkai friends song 50 number tam saka which state government recently launched Save Green Stay Clean campaign Save Green Stay Clean campaign sabo launch khalagyan bo state launch khalagyan ke right answer Gujarat friends song angasuk kuliah second sakang sinai DDK Bolo campaign DDK Bolo campaign is started in which state bo state so DDK Bolo campaign khalagyan ke right answer West Bengal friends song be current affair 52 number friends song aji recently one nation one ration card scheme is launched in koite state nisung ojaga friends in for state bo state Gujarat Maharashtra Telangana Andhra Pradesh state ka friends omo somboto July ongo friends angobo ni video kaise ta question samjak abo next khasinai bufuro launch khalaki abo friends tam bo rastro site state launch khajaga first abo nge 2020 ni bisingo pura all India o covered khajani one nation one ration card mane all India ni ration card cholen nang je kono jagao thangai national level uthogoi manajar friends sine 53 number which state government determine the weight of the school children bag 10% of their weight tam sakana je bo state government sarai rongni nijini weight ni onusare janija weight ni onusare sarai rok 10% weight khlainai borongni bag matoi ni saka bo state Karnataka government see the next video friends on 54 which state launched zero dependency code project to quickly settle the case of code bo state zero dependency code project nai launch khalakyan ke Delhi friends on Delhi sung oboni launch date ok sung naidani next of friends on aje 55 number next which state government recently launched Dastak 2 Dastak 2 campaign to eliminate Japanese encephalitis disease sabo Dastak 2 honai launch khakyanga Uttar Pradesh friends next 56 number tam sagadi which state government give permission after passing a bill to keep shop and financial institution 24/7 open bo state 24 hour no open khalaiton manai dukan ba shop am hainai nai logo khairi karne sa permission de karne sa bo state to Gujarat sine 57 number in which state the Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project tamo Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project is started recently bojago Telangana wo sing obno that next na ne friends ngake omake sing naibe mani pore jangdong 300 target saka o 300 ta naibe pore angdong komsi kom o mas ni bisingo angdong complete khlainai PDF last complete ngon pore PDF link share khajane bagai ang sai togoi tongo friends na singi tong ninrok gisi next idea next 58 number friends which state government has started one citizen one tree campaign recently bo state government khlairika one citizen khorsa borok kaisa buphang ni campaign kanyan boy campaign khlairika bo state government Meghalaya friends Meghalaya next 59 number friends ekdom easy recently Vice President M Venkaiah Naidu launched sabo recently mane koyek din hman nita M Venkaiah Naidu launch vice president sin uparashtrapati 3 ambulance initiated in which state bo state of Clarika launch Clarika Chennai of Clarika Chennai bo state Tamil Nadu friends sin next 6 number Krishak Bandhu scheme is started in which state bo state of Krishak Bandhu scheme ke West Bengal friends sin 61 number when will Chandrayaan 2 lander sini Chandrayaan 2 ni discover फाइनल हिने आंनों मसाका फ्रेंड्स जों कॉमन होने बिनि पूरा टॉपिक पूरा न मानाय किंतु अजागो ताम रखा Chandrayaan 2 बुफुरु लैंडर खायनाय अब सिमिसे आं और रुखो रुनाय आस्ते मानाय फ्रेंड्स जों नाखिमि दंदे लैंडर Vikram B separated from the orbiter बुफुरु लैंड खायनाय 3 September 2019 फ्रेंड्स जों ताइ बिसि करिका लैंड खायनाय बरक 62 number friends which state government launched Sarbat Sehat Bima Yojana Sarbat Sehat Bima Yojana launch khakia bo state onke Punjab answer Punjab 63 number friends on naritabo 63 number tam saka which organization recently handed over mobile metallic ram MMR to the Indian Army okay bo organization ke DRDO in full form ga Defense Research and Development Organization friends on after 64 number what is the name of robot that has been unveiled at Guwahati Eureka restaurant Eureka restaurant mungtamo Palki friends song nade sine 65 number tabok which organization recently released a report quality unknown the invisible water crisis bo jaga bo organization release khaika report quality ano invisible water crisis ne World Bank friends World Bank right answer sini next 66 number what is the name of former Madhya Pradesh CM who passed away recently koyek dino thike sini Madhya Pradesh ni kusam CM bin bungtamo Babulal Gaur bini age busuk apuro 89 ngi thika bo budin thika 7 August 2019 next friends song 67 Nishtha program which is in news recently is associated to which field okay nane de Nishtha program tamne news no tuinai bo associate khajaka anke education friends song bufro obono ko khajaka 21 August 2019 sabo khaika Union Minister Ramesh Pakial Nisang launch bo jaganka New Delhi bo friends New Delhi next Team Indian skipper Virat Kohli has which among the following number written at the back of his test jersey bin test ni jersey wo busung number ka tabo bo sirina ka 18 number friends 69 number tabo which country has decided to hold SAARC foreign minister informal meet sabai malakya Nepal bo country foreign minister okay sinna the next friends song 70 number the 2019 World Youth Chess Championship is being held in which city bo city wo 2019 ne Youth Chess Championship bo city o ngai inchao Mumbai friends of Mumbai 2019 bufurungnai October ni 1 থেকে 13 October ni cholinai tam cholinai under 14 under 16 under 18 category cholinai ajago friends muchunarak deogo 71 number tabok recently which state transport minister launched a live tracking system of MSRTC buses bo state sauna transport minister launch khalerika Maharashtra state bo ko minister anke Diwakar Rawat friends sini next 72 number friends ade 72 number tamrika name the Indian para swimmer who has become the first Asian swimmer to cross the Catalina Channel of America bo bumung sararo ko Indian para swimmer who has become the first Asian swimmer bo cross the Catalina Channel of America Catalina Channel lo cross khajabo inge sabo friends ade right answer Shatendra Singh Luhia friends next 73 number friends sine Rajnath Singh has approved a committee to review defense procurement procedure under whose chairman sine home minister Rajnath Singh je minister defense minister has approved committee to review defense tam saunu khalerika approve khalerika bo committee no gai chairmanship sabo Apurva Chanda sine next friends nade next tongo 74 number President Ramnath Kovind has inaugurated the presidential guest house named what Raj Bhavan in Mumbai Raj Bhavan Mumbai ni house ni mungtam ongke Jalkiran Ramnath Kovind inaugurate khairika bo presidential guest sensong Jalkiran nai mujunarade sini sabuk 75 number friends which state has increased the reservation quota for OBC from 14% to 27% bo state OBC ne quota reservation no 14% ni theke 27% khlai rekhane sabungke bo state Chhattisgarh friends Chhattisgarh muchunarakde sini 76 number tabok the Indian embassy in Bulgaria has facilitated which filmmaker on the Independence Day ke bo filmmaker Bulgaria has facilitated inka bo Indian embassy ni tei Rohit Shetty friends Rohit Shetty muchunarakde sini next number 77 which country has got its first national essential diagnostic list NEDL friends omoto India nongnai India ne sung jehetu problem ba friends Indian current affair problem Indian country saka 78 in May 2019 Prem Singh Tamang was sworn in as the chief minister of sabo chief minister ni sapornakha Prem Singh Taman bo jaga ni chief minister ni bo sapornakha angke mewo bo jaga nakha angke Sikkim ni friends Sikkim ni bo chief minister hisabai bo sapor ground naka 79 number friends which state has proposed to set up the first blockchain district in India blockchain district bo state blockchain the first blockchain district propose khajya angka Telangana friends Telangana sine taxation na the last friends tinin bagai which state launched a scheme named School Phagadaba scheme. Friends, amongka School Phagadaba scheme make education better. Education better khaine bagai to improve the infrastructure of government schools in the state. Boy state Manipuri. Observe long khaga friends, Biren Singh ka Manipuri Chief Minister. Koitarigo 17 August 2019 friends. Ojagono sing tinta dini question nongkri mana friends. Okay, sing tinin bagai asuna hai jotono hambai Asia